what requirements have changed due to so much job loss these days due to COVID? I remember you telling me once that, you're now having to, like, 2 weeks prior verify employment still.
We have
2 days.
3 days. We have
3 days.
We have to get what's called a verbal verification of employment within the 3 days of funding. So which makes sense. The lenders want to make sure that homeowners are not buying a house and losing their job within 1 or 2 days and lose, right?
Right.
So that is important.
Yes.
Because we want to put people in good positions to succeed, not positions to fail.
Yep.
And I don't think that's hey, they're trying to be more strict. They're literally just trying to protect themselves.
Absolutely. There was a guest here, I don't remember when, quite a while back. They were sharing how somebody they knew purchased a home, everything closed, and then like literally 2 days after they got laid off,
Right.
due to COVID.
And what happened?
I don't know. I mean, that just had happened.
When did this happen?
This was like a few weeks ago.
So we should see if we can buy their house.
Yeah.
No, I'm not joking. Like,
Sure.
not to discredit it.
Yeah.
But we don't want people to go delinquent and default.
Yeah.
Because then their credit will just go down.
Yeah.
So life happens, and that's the good part about real estate investing is you're in the problem solving business.
Right.
It might be easier for you to buy the property with seller financing, just taking over the mortgage and giving them some money.
Yeah.
Versus them trying to sell it normal and have a loss for real estate commissions and closing and et cetera, et cetera. So.
Yep.
Yeah, that's those are just different things to take into consideration as investors.
Perfect. Okay, very cool.